Hi everybody, welcome to How to Solution. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add 1 minute video on Instagram stories without splitting. So first of all, we will go into the Instagram app. Okay, now if I want to put a story, just let me show you. Just go to the story option. Okay, now you can see here that I'm going to upload a video. The video duration is 1 minute 15 seconds. So if I click on that and
Hi
if I
guys,
put
welcome to
this
How to
as a
Solution. In
story,
this
after the uploading the video will be uploaded for only 1 minute, not for 1 minute 17 seconds. So let me just show you. As you can see here,
Hi
that
guys,
video length is only 31 seconds, not 1 minute 17 seconds. So this is it guys. I hope you found
hi
this
guys, welcome to How to Solution. In this video,
so
I'm
this is
going
it
to show
guys.
you
I
that
hope you found this video really helpful. So this is it guys. I hope you really like this video. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. See you till the next video. Take care.